Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Blackforexgroup coming to you with another pre-market analysis video. Today, we're looking at the NZDUSD, also known as the Kiwi. Okay. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and break down this Forex pair. But before we get started, we have to say that this video is for educational purposes. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you're here to find good Forex content to improve one's ability as a trader. All right, now let's go ahead and break down this Forex pair. Now, before we get to talking about what's happening on the chart, Black Forex, we like to talk about the fundamentals of what's going on. Now, the NZD still remains one of our stronger currencies for heading into this trading week. It's been very good from a fundamental standpoint. Had some very good news come out about it last week, and it's some news that's supposed to be coming out tonight that's predicted to do well. So this should continue to be one of our stronger currencies. Now we know that the USD is still one of our weaker currencies going into this trading day. Actually, prior to me recording this video, we had some very important news come out about the USD, where we have some significant drop in its numbers, especially with some high impact news too for the PPI. So looks like for the going into this trading session or for the next couple trading sessions, the USD is going to be pretty weak, and this is also further in coupled with the inflation, the inherited inflation from that's being suffered by the U.S. economy. Okay, so now that we talked about the fundamentals, let's go and break down what's going on. So, as I said in previous videos, this is still looking like we're going for a long position. The reason why we had some hesitation here is because the USD did start to pick up some strength due to the Fed talking about hiking up the interest rate. And also from a technical analysis standpoint, last time we were in this area, price did drop down very significantly, but as we've seen here, price did not drop down as significant. It actually was very, very, very hesitant to drop down, which was a good sign that we're going to be continuing our bullish long movement, continue to be up. So this looks like we're going to be continue to go up. Now, the only way we can have the only way we can have a drop down is if drop down in price in which we start to go down is if we have a fundamental shift in the NZD versus the USD. Now, is that possible? Yes, it's possible. Is it probable? It's not too probable, especially judging from the way that the USD news that just dropped at 8:30 played out. It came out very, very, very negative for the USD, which means the USD is going to remain one of our weaker currencies heading into this trading day. Okay, so we're going to continue to see some push up. Probably hesitate once we get to around this area. Actually, probably drop a little bit here before we continue to go up. Okay, hope that information was helpful for you guys. Happy trading.